Fantom at the time of this recording continues to hold above our key area of support, above the 1.3 and the 1.1957. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, give you my breakout target areas, and above all discuss the fundamental reasons as to why we have continued to see higher prices on the Fantom chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim up to 6,200 USDT worth of BTC as a welcome gift. And all you need for registration is an email, and alternatively, you can use your phone number for registration. And starting the video here on X, by first discussing the main reasons as to why I believe we have continued to see higher prices on the Fantom chart. This December, Fantom is transitioning into the Sonic mainnet, and that is one of the main fundamental reasons as to why we have continued to see higher prices. And I believe that transition is happening soon, and that is one of the main reasons as to why we need to remain bullish on Fantom. And getting back to the charts to now give you the key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, I will be basing my analysis on this blue Deriv structure, which has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, where you can see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 1, so a pullback in a wave 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally peaked to the upside in the formation of this Deriv count 5, giving us a high above the 1.3981. And after we picked in this 5 wave structure to the upside, we completed an even larger Deriv count 3. And having seen the formation of that wave 3, I expected a bit of a pullback in an Deriv count 4, where the minimum target areas for that Deriv count 4 I had marked on the charts using this red target area, an area that we fully maximized, and it gave us a reaction to the upside in what I now believe is the start of an impulsive Deriv count 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci's from the low that we made on the 5th of August in the formation of this larger Deriv count 1 to the high of that wave 1 above the 0.7646, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3 above the 1.39, and that gives me a minimum target area for that Deriv count 5 at the fib level 0.618 as the first target area, and that is above the $1.7. So that means that there are high chances that we are going to continue seeing higher prices until we fully maximize the highs above the 1.5 and the $1.7 as our next target areas. And once we have a high in the formation of these Deriv count 5, then I will be expecting a bit of a larger pullback to the lower side, because that will have completed a 5 wave structure to the upside from the lows that we made on the 5th of August. We also need to have in mind that this transition from the Fantom to the Sonic mainnet can also be a buy the rumor and sell the news event. That is something else that we need to be prepared for, and that means that in case we don't get another bounce ahead of that main launch, there's a chance that we can easily get a massive sell-off, and that will also mean that there's a high in place in the formation of this wave 5, and we can expect a larger pullback having completed a larger 5 wave structure to the upside. So that is something else that we need to have in mind. But for now, we don't have any signs of a topping structure, and I cannot be able to give you the minimum pullback target areas that we will need to pay attention to. So for now, I'm still expecting higher prices in that Deriv count 5, having the 1.5 and the $1.7 as my next target areas. So that is all I'm expecting on Fantom, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.